Knock, knock, knock. Someone woke me up. What? Again? Oh, my nose.
先在头上，再踩鼻上啊。这不用，我要踩你头上和鼻上。来，开始。好，鼻子高下，这头出去啊，忍一下下。好，可以了啊。
Wait a minute. Before breakfast, there's something else I need to do. Dun 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 dun! Look what I got yesterday. This is the training plan made by my physiotherapist for my shoulder and my back. I'm gonna start working out from today on. Let's go. I want to set a target for blanking. Let's see if I do it every day, how much I can achieve at the end of the quarantine. And of course, something for my popo and my leg. Because my vertebration is twisted really bad, I have no power on my back and on my shoulder. That's why I need to work on that. No weight? No problem. I have water bottle. What? It's too light? Don't worry. With my power, this is enough. Trust me. More exercise for my back and the shoulder, and I have to do it differently between right side and left side because the muscles are very unbalanced. I'm really exhausted. There's a surprise after lunch. Look. Who's coming back? Oh, my charger. I left it in the airplane. I'm really proud of myself today, although I didn't do much, but I will try to do more tomorrow. See you guys. Bye bye.